Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and welcome back to the next video. And after we know the concept of chemical equation, so in this video I will tell you about the concept of finished and unfinished chemical equation. And in the previous video, I said that you don't have to think about the unfinished, but in this video we are going to talk about why this equation is still unfinished and how we can make the finished one. Okay, so I will write this equation into this page. So this is the equation of this. Okay, now we are going to make it finished. Okay, the finished equation is can be reached, can be obtained after we balance the equation. We balance the coefficient. So what is coefficient? So coefficient is a number, number in front of the compound or in front of the element, or substance, and we have to put a certain number on every products on every reactant. So in the end we can get the balance situation. Okay, so what is balance situation? The meaning of balance situation is when the number of atoms in left side is similar, or equal with the number of atoms in the in the right side, because we want to make it balanced, so everything must be balanced, including the number of atoms in every reaction. Okay, so how to make it balanced? So I will show you how to make it. Okay, so I will write down the unfinished. Okay, so this equation is unfinished and we are going to make it finished equation. Okay, so let's take a look on the right side. We have Hg, we have only single Hg, and also we have only single O. And okay, so let's take a look on the right side. On the right side, we have oxygen here. Okay, we have oxygen, but the oxygen is written with small small 2 here. Okay, what is the meaning? The meaning is the product of this equation will yield or will produce oxygen with 2 atoms, because we have O2 here. And when we take a look on the left side, we only have only one O here. Okay, so it's only one O here. So we're going to make it balanced. Okay, how to make it balanced? We have to put number 2 here. We don't have we cannot make 2 here. We cannot make it because it is not allowed in making in balancing of the equation. The only thing that we can do is just put the coefficient number in every in front of the elements or the compound. Okay, so in this case we cannot put anything, small 3 here. No, we cannot make it. We just only we are be able to only put coefficient number in front of every substance here. Okay, so okay, let's back to our main discussion. We have O2 here, so we have to make it O2 here, but because we cannot put number 2 here, the only thing that we can do, we can just put number 2 in front of the HgO here. So we put number 2 here. Okay, so we have 2 O on the left side, and also we have O2, 2 atoms of O, 2 atoms of oxygen in the left in the right side. So we don't have a problem. We don't have any problem with the O anymore. Okay, now let's take a look on the Hg. Okay, so in the left side we have 2 atoms of Hydrarium, yeah, or Hg, but in the right side we only have 1, yeah. So what we can do, we can put 2, yeah, number 2 in front of the Hg. So I'm sorry, yeah. So we have the finished equation, because we have same value, we have same amount of atoms, both in left and also in right side, yeah. So we have similar atoms in the reactant side, and also the same number of atoms in the right hand side, yeah. Okay, now let's check it together. We have, okay, so this is reactant and this is the product. So we have 2 Hg, and also in the product we have 2 Hg. Okay, so it's okay. And then we have 2 O, yeah, on the left hand side. So we have 2 O, and also in the right hand side we have 2 O, yeah. So we have 2 oxygen here. So everything is similar, and we get the finished equation, yeah. So the finished equation is, okay, I will write down here. So the finished equation is 2 HGO, then heat will produce 1 compound of oxygen plus 2 atoms of hydronium. Yeah, so this is the finished equation. Okay, yeah. Okay, now let's take a look let's take a look for other example. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, let's talking about water. Okay, so everyone I believe that everyone knows about water, yeah. And the chemical formula of water is, okay, chemical formula of water, yeah, is H2O. And to make H2O, you can react, yeah, or you can combine 2 gas, yeah. You have H2 and O2. Then you will get the water, or H2O. And now we can make the chemical equation, yeah. So firstly we have to write down the reactants. We have H2 plus O2, then it will produce H2O. Okay, now the question is this finished or unfinished equation? Okay, and the answer is, it is unfinished equation, because let's take a look on the oxygen. On the left hand side we have 2O, but in the right side we only have 1O, yeah. So it must be unfinished equation, so we have to make it finished. Okay, so I will make it in other color. Okay, so H2 plus O2 becomes water, or H2O. Okay, so in the reactant we have we have 2O, 2 atoms of O, or 2 atoms of oxygen. So we have to put number 2 here. Yeah, so the O, the oxygen on the product side, also 2 atoms, yeah. So 2 O, and then also in here O2, yeah. Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, so and then let's take a look on the other reactants. We have we have 2H here, okay, but in this side, or in the product side, we have 4H, or 4 hydrogen. So what we can do, we can put the value of 2 here. Yeah, so okay, we can put number 2 here. So we have H2 times by 2, so we have 4 hydrogen, and also in the right side we have 4 hydrogen. Yeah, okay, let's check it before we continue. Here we have 4 hydrogen, and also we have 4 hydrogen. Okay, we have 4 hydrogen, and then on the left side we have 2 oxygens, and also we have 2 oxygen here. Okay, so this equation is finished. Yeah, okay, so I will put, okay, so the finished chemical equation, yeah, chemical equation of water production is, yeah, 2H2 plus, okay, I will make it better, 2H2, yeah, plus O2 produce 2H2O, yeah, and this is the finished equation. Okay, so this is for this video, and after this we can next to other topics, and thanks for your attention. Thank you.